Welcome to our exploration of green data centers, where technology meets sustainability. As our digital world expands, data centers have become the backbone of modern life, powering everything from social media to cloud storage. However, traditional data centers consume vast amounts of energy and contribute significantly to carbon emissions. In response, the industry is shifting toward greener solutions. In this video, we'll uncover what makes a data center green, the technologies driving this movement, and why it's crucial for our planet's future. Let's dive into the world of sustainable tech and see how innovation is reshaping our digital infrastructure. Before we delve into green data centers, let's clarify what a data center actually is. A data center is a facility that houses computer systems and associated components, such as servers, storage, and networking equipment. These centers are essential for storing, processing, and distributing vast amounts of digital information. They support everything from streaming videos to online banking. Because of their critical role, data centers must operate reliably 24/7, which requires significant energy and cooling resources. Understanding this foundation helps us appreciate the importance of making data centers more sustainable. Traditional data centers are notorious for their environmental footprint. They consume massive amounts of electricity, often sourced from fossil fuels, and generate significant heat, requiring extensive cooling systems. This leads to high carbon emissions and increased demand on local power grids. In fact, data centers account for about 1% of global electricity use, a figure that's expected to rise as digital services expand. Recognizing these challenges is the first step toward understanding why green data centers are so important for a sustainable future. But what exactly makes a data center green? Green data centers are designed with energy efficiency and environmental responsibility in mind. They utilize renewable energy sources, advanced cooling techniques, and efficient hardware to minimize their ecological footprint. The goal is to reduce energy consumption, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and promote sustainable practices throughout the facility's lifecycle. By adopting these strategies, green data centers are leading the way in responsible digital infrastructure. One of the cornerstones of green data centers is the integration of renewable energy sources. Instead of relying solely on traditional power grids, these facilities harness solar, wind, or hydroelectric power to meet their energy needs. By tapping into clean energy, data centers can drastically reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a more sustainable energy ecosystem. This shift not only benefits the environment but also helps companies meet regulatory requirements and improve their public image. Cooling is a major challenge for data centers as servers generate a lot of heat. Green data centers employ innovative cooling solutions such as liquid cooling, free air cooling, and heat recovery systems. These methods are far more efficient than traditional air conditioning, using less energy and often repurposing waste heat for other uses. By optimizing cooling, green data centers can significantly cut energy consumption and operating costs, making them both eco-friendly and economically smart. Another key aspect of green data centers is the use of energy-efficient hardware. Modern servers, storage devices, and networking equipment are designed to deliver high performance while consuming less power. Technologies like virtualization and solid-state drives help maximize resource utilization and minimize waste. By upgrading to the latest hardware, data centers can achieve greater efficiency and reduce their overall environmental impact. Green data centers leverage advanced monitoring and management systems to optimize energy use in real time. Sensors and software track temperature, humidity, and power consumption, allowing operators to make data-driven decisions. Automated controls can adjust cooling and workload distribution to maintain efficiency. This smart approach ensures that resources are used only when needed, further reducing waste and operational costs. Physical design of a data center also plays a crucial role in its sustainability. Green data centers are often built with eco-friendly materials, efficient lighting, and layouts that maximize natural airflow. Some even incorporate green roofs or solar panels into their architecture. These design choices help reduce energy demand and create a healthier environment for both equipment and staff. Water is another resource that data centers use extensively, especially for cooling. Green data centers implement water-saving technologies such as closed-loop cooling systems and rainwater harvesting. These strategies minimize water waste and reduce the facility's impact on local water supplies. By conserving water, green data centers further demonstrate their commitment to environmental stewardship. Sustainability in data centers goes beyond energy and water. Green facilities also focus on reducing waste and promoting recycling. This includes responsibly disposing of old hardware, recycling packaging materials, and minimizing single-use plastics. Some centers even repurpose electronic waste or donate usable equipment to schools and nonprofits. These efforts help close the loop and support a circular economy. To ensure accountability, many green data centers pursue certifications such as LEED, Energy Star, or ISO 14001. These standards set benchmarks for energy efficiency, environmental management, and sustainable operations. Achieving certification demonstrates a facility's commitment to best practices and provides assurance to clients and stakeholders. It's a mark of quality in the world of sustainable technology. Let's look at a real-world example. Google has been a leader in building green data centers. The company powers its facilities with 100% renewable energy and invests in cutting-edge cooling and efficiency technologies. Google's data centers are among the most energy efficient in the world, setting a benchmark for the industry. Their commitment to sustainability not only reduces environmental impact, but also inspires other companies to follow suit. Microsoft is another tech giant making strides in green data centers. The company has pledged to be carbon negative by 2030, and its data centers are central to this goal. Microsoft uses renewable energy, AI-driven energy management, and innovative cooling techniques such as underwater data centers to push the boundaries of sustainability. Their efforts highlight the potential for large-scale change in the tech industry. Facebook now Meta has also invested heavily in green data centers. Their facilities use renewable energy and are designed for maximum efficiency, with custom-built hardware and advanced cooling systems. Meta's data centers have achieved some of the lowest power usage effectiveness (PUE) scores in the industry, demonstrating that sustainability and performance can go hand in hand. Green data centers are not just a trend in developed countries. Emerging markets are also embracing sustainable practices as they build new digital infrastructure. Countries in Asia, Africa, and Latin America are investing in renewable energy and efficient designs from the start, leapfrogging older, less sustainable models. This global movement is accelerating the adoption of green technology worldwide. Despite the benefits, transitioning to green data centers comes with challenges. High upfront costs, limited access to renewable energy, and the complexity of retrofitting existing facilities can slow progress. However, as technology advances and public awareness grows, these barriers are gradually being overcome. Collaboration between governments, businesses, and communities is key to accelerating the shift towards sustainability. Government policies play a significant role in promoting green data centers. Incentives such as tax breaks, grants, and renewable energy credits encourage companies to invest in sustainable infrastructure. Regulations on energy efficiency and emissions also drive innovation. By creating a supportive policy environment, governments can help accelerate the transition to greener digital infrastructure. Artificial intelligence is transforming the way data centers operate. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to optimize energy use, predict equipment failures, and manage workloads more efficiently. By leveraging AI, green data centers can achieve higher levels of automation and sustainability, ensuring that resources are used wisely and environmental impact is minimized. Edge computing is another trend influencing green data centers. By processing data closer to where it's generated, edge data centers reduce the need for long-distance data transmission, saving energy and improving efficiency. These smaller, distributed centers can be designed with sustainability in mind, using renewable energy and efficient cooling to minimize their footprint. Cloud computing has the potential to drive sustainability in the tech sector. By consolidating resources in large, efficient data centers, cloud providers can achieve economies of scale and invest in green technologies. Many leading cloud companies are committed to using renewable energy and optimizing their operations for minimal environmental impact, making the cloud a greener choice for businesses and individuals alike. The concept of a circular economy is gaining traction in the data center industry. Instead of following a linear model of take, make, dispose, green data centers aim to reuse, refurbish, and recycle equipment wherever possible. This approach reduces waste, conserves resources, and extends the life of valuable materials, supporting a more sustainable digital ecosystem. Sustainability isn't just about technology, it's also about people. Green data centers foster a culture of environmental responsibility among employees. Training programs, sustainability goals, and employee-led initiatives encourage everyone to contribute to greener operations. This collective effort helps embed sustainability into the organization's DNA and drives continuous improvement. Customers are increasingly demanding sustainable solutions from their technology providers. Businesses and individuals alike want to know that their data is stored and processed in environmentally responsible ways. This demand is driving data center operators to adopt greener practices and transparently report their sustainability efforts, creating a positive feedback loop for the industry. While green data centers may require higher initial investments, they often deliver long-term cost savings. Energy-efficient technologies, renewable energy, and optimized operations reduce utility bills and maintenance costs. Additionally, green certifications and a strong sustainability reputation can attract new customers and partners, making the business case for going green even stronger. The future of green data centers is bright, with ongoing innovation in energy storage, cooling, and renewable integration. Emerging technologies like hydrogen fuel cells, advanced battery systems, and AI-driven optimization promise even greater efficiency and sustainability. As the industry evolves, we can expect green data centers to become the new standard for digital infrastructure. Achieving true sustainability in data centers requires collaboration across industries. Technology providers, energy companies, governments, and customers must work together to develop and implement best practices. Partnerships and knowledge sharing accelerate progress and help overcome common challenges, ensuring that the benefits of green data centers are realized on a global scale. Track progress. Green data centers use metrics like power usage effectiveness (PUE), water usage effectiveness (WUE), and carbon usage effectiveness (Q). These indicators help operators identify areas for improvement and benchmark their performance against industry standards. Transparent reporting builds trust with stakeholders and drives continuous improvement. Location matters when it comes to green data centers. Facilities built in cooler climates can take advantage of natural cooling, reducing the need for energy-intensive air conditioning. Proximity to renewable energy sources such as wind or hydroelectric power also makes it easier to operate sustainably. Strategic site selection is a key factor in maximizing efficiency and minimizing environmental impact. One of the most innovative cooling solutions is the underwater data center. By submerging servers in the ocean, companies can take advantage of naturally cold water to cool equipment efficiently. This approach reduces energy use and opens up new possibilities for data center locations. While still experimental, underwater data centers represent the cutting edge of sustainable technology. Green data centers are finding creative ways to reuse waste heat. Some facilities channel excess heat to nearby buildings, providing district heating for homes and offices. This not only reduces energy waste but also supports local communities. Heat reuse is a win-win solution that turns a byproduct into a valuable resource. Modular data center designs allow facilities to scale up or down as needed, improving efficiency and reducing waste. Prefabricated modules can be quickly deployed and optimized for energy use, making it easier to adapt to changing demands. This flexibility supports sustainable growth and minimizes the environmental impact of expansion. Reliable backup power is essential for data centers. Green facilities are turning to advanced battery storage systems such as lithium-ion or flow batteries to provide clean, efficient backup. These systems can store renewable energy for use during outages, reducing reliance on diesel generators and further lowering emissions. The rollout of 5G networks is increasing demand for data processing at the edge. Green data centers are essential for supporting this growth sustainably. By combining efficient hardware, renewable energy, and smart management, these centers can handle the demands of 5G while minimizing environmental impact. Virtualization technology allows multiple virtual servers to run on a single physical machine, maximizing resource use and reducing energy consumption. Green data centers leverage virtualization to increase efficiency, lower costs, and minimize their environmental footprint. This technology is a key enabler of sustainable digital infrastructure. Transparency is vital in the journey toward green data centers. Operators are increasingly publishing sustainability reports, sharing data on energy use, emissions, and progress toward goals. This openness builds trust with customers, investors, and regulators, and encourages continuous improvement across the industry. Green data centers often engage with local communities, providing jobs, supporting education, and investing in local infrastructure. By sharing benefits and involving stakeholders, these facilities become valued members of the community. This engagement fosters goodwill and helps ensure the long-term success of sustainable initiatives. Education is a powerful tool for driving sustainability. Green data centers often partner with schools and universities to promote STEM education and environmental awareness. These initiatives inspire the next generation of innovators and help build a culture of sustainability in the tech industry. Green data centers are designed with resilience in mind. They incorporate redundant systems, robust backup power, and disaster recovery plans to ensure continuous operation. Sustainable design also means being prepared for climate-related risks such as extreme weather or power outages, protecting both data and the environment. Innovation is at the heart of green data centers. From AI-driven management to new cooling techniques and renewable integration, the industry is constantly evolving. Embracing a culture of innovation ensures that data centers can meet growing digital demands while minimizing their impact on the planet. The shift to green data centers has a global impact, reducing carbon emissions and supporting international climate goals. As more companies adopt sustainable practices, the cumulative effect can help slow climate change and create a cleaner, healthier planet for future generations. Individual choices also play a role in promoting green data centers. By choosing cloud services and digital products from companies committed to sustainability, consumers can drive demand for greener solutions. Every decision counts in building a more sustainable digital future. The journey toward green data centers is ongoing. As technology evolves and awareness grows, the industry will continue to innovate and improve. By working together, we can build a digital infrastructure that supports both our technological needs and the health of our planet. Recap: green data centers are transforming the tech industry by prioritizing energy efficiency, renewable energy, and sustainable design. From innovative cooling to circular economy practices, these facilities are setting new standards for responsible digital infrastructure. The benefits extend beyond the environment, offering cost savings, resilience, and community engagement. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of green data centers. As we move forward, embracing sustainable technology is essential for a brighter, greener future. Whether you're a business leader, tech professional, or everyday user, your choices can make a difference. Together, we can power the digital age responsibly and protect our planet for generations to come.